Hello there and welcome back to my channel. It's MizTeeBeauty here, and today I am reviewing the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser by Glow Recipe. I received this product in my January 2020 Ipsy Glam bag. If you haven't seen the unboxing video, here's the thumbnail. This effective yet gentle 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser, cleanser, and deep clarifying mask hydrates the skin without stripping it, helping to combat blemishes and breakouts over time. It will also help the rest of your skincare products work a lot better. Yeah, it's that major. I am using the Cala Dual Action Mint Facial Cleansing Brush. I purchased my brush at Marshall's, but it's also available at your local beauty supply store or through Amazon.com. I complained about the product not lathering in my review of the January 2020 Ipsy Glam bag. But you guys, look at that brush and look at that lather it gave me. Oh my goodness, what a lather. I massage the cleanser into my face for 1 minute. Then I rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Admire how beautiful and bouncy my face looks. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.